Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from Android to PC with a USB cable. So let's get started. First of all, we will connect the USB cable to our computer and then we are going to connect the cable to our smartphone. After connecting the cable to your Android device, swipe down the notification panel and here we're going to find an option like this, charging the device via USB. We're going to expand and as you can see it says tap for more options. So we're going to tap this and as you can see the USB is being used to transfer no data at the moment. We're going to click on file transfer. After we click on file transfer, the window in our computer will open, which will let us access the internal storage of our Android device. So from here we can access the internal storage of our device, and now let me just drag this photo into the internal storage and it's going to be copied to our Android device. Now let's go to the file manager of the Android device, and as you can see this picture is now available in my device. So guys, that is how you can easily transfer photos from Android to PC with a USB cable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.